Support trends don't mean much in isolation. What matters is whether they're rising, falling, or shifting over time. In this video, you'll learn how to use comparison over time in BoldDesk chart widgets to spot those changes quickly. To use comparison over time, start by opening the dashboard where you want to add or edit a chart widget. Next, create a new chart widget or open an existing one. In the widget settings, choose the metric you want to track. Then, add a Group By field. This is required for comparison over time because the feature compares grouped values across time periods. For example, you might group by category, status, priority, or agent. This helps you see how support trends change between the current period and the previous one. After that, enable the comparison option in the widget configuration. Once it's turned on, BoldDesk compares the selected time period with the matching previous period. This makes it easier to understand whether a trend is increasing, decreasing, or staying relatively stable. For example, if you're viewing ticket volume by category for this week, BoldDesk compares it with the previous week. If you're viewing this month, it compares it with the previous month. This is especially useful when you want to track changes in workload, identify shifts in ticket patterns, or understand how support activity is evolving over time. After saving the widget, review the chart to make sure the grouped data is displayed clearly and the comparison is meaningful for your reporting needs. That's how comparison over time works in BoldDesk chart widgets. It's a simple way to make dashboards more useful by showing what changed, not just what's there now. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.